Hey guys, this is my first BIRCHBOX subscription. I just wanted to share it with you guys. And it came with a free MAC Velvet Teddy lipstick, which is pretty awesome. It's a mini size. So I'm just gonna fast forward this part because I had a struggle of opening this box. And this is what it looks like. This is the January box. It comes with this little welcome card and how it works, and it comes with approximately 5 items. So this first item would be this face rejuvenator mask cleanser, and I thought that was pretty cool. I really like brightening up my face, so this would be perfect. Next, it would come with this dry shampoo. I haven't tried this brand yet, but I have a feeling that it's going to be really good. Next is this mini Ico London eyeliner. I love this brand. It stays out through the whole day. The tip is kind of like a medium sized, and it definitely never gets dull. Next would be this blush / highlighter from Lash & Co. It's a pinky and the consistency is like really nice. It's very glossy. Next would be this Coola, kind of like a BB cream, and it has SPF in it, which is really awesome. I was definitely excited for this the most. And there you have it. My final verdict would be that this is kind of like Ipsy. I wasn't really sure how big the items would be. They came pretty small, which was a little disappointing, but overall it's just a test run, so I'm not sure that I'll exactly get it again, but it was good to try it out. And I'll see you guys next time.